If you've ever wondered how to share more of your day on Telegram, this tutorial is for you. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to add 2 or even more stories in Telegram, using both the built-in grid layout for combining media and the good old-fashioned sequential posting. By the end, you'll know not just how to get your stories out there, but how to make them stand out and fit the daily limits for your account. Let's jump right in, starting with sharing multiple photos and videos within a single post. Telegram has this really handy layout feature in the story editor that lets you create story collages. Think of it like arranging several snapshots from your day into one neat photo board, all in one swipe for your viewers. To get started, open up your Telegram app. At the top of your chat list, you'll either see a big plus button if you're on iOS or a camera icon if you're on Android. Go ahead and tap that to create a new story. Now you're in the story editor. You should spot a sticker panel icon, usually a smiley face or something similar. Tap on that and you'll see various sticker options pop up. But what you want here is the little photo icon down in the corner, which opens your gallery. Take a moment to browse through your photos or videos and select all the media you want to combine. Telegram's editor will let you pick several at once. Maybe you want 2 cute cat clips and a selfie from your walk. Once you've chosen, the magic happens. You'll get layout options to arrange them, like a 2x2 grid for 4 photos or a long horizontal row. Play around and see what looks best for your story. Don't rush here, take your time arranging things. You can pinch to zoom, drag images into the right spots, and even add fun extras. Want to include a clever caption? Tap to add text, prefer a little flair, add stickers or emojis wherever you like. This lets you create a single, unified story post that tells a story at a glance, instead of making your followers tap through several separate updates. Once you're happy with your masterpiece, just tap the post or send button. And just like that, your combined story is up for friends and followers to enjoy. But what if you want to share each photo or video as its own story update? Maybe you want your morning coffee and your evening sunset to be 2 distinct moments. No problem, Telegram also lets you post stories one after the other until you hit your daily limit. For most users, especially if you're on the free plan, you can post up to 2 stories per day. Here, how you do that: post your first story using the same flow, tap the plus or camera icon, pick your media, add some text or a filter if you wish, double-check your privacy settings, and hit publish. After that story goes live, simply repeat the process to create your second story. It's a great way to sprinkle updates throughout your day. If you find you want to share even more, it might be time to look into Telegram Premium, which increases your story posts limit way up to 100 per day, along with a bunch of other perks like longer captions and more control over how long stories stay visible. But for lots of us, those 2 stories can go a long way if you use the grid layouts well. And there you go, now you know how to share 2 or more stories in Telegram, either all in one stylish mosaic or split into separate moments. Give it a try, and don't worry if you need a few attempts to get your layout just right. The story editor is forgiving and you'll get the hang of it quickly. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up, and if you've got any questions, drop them down below. I'm happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more Telegram tips, and I'll see you in the next video.